Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I will draw some Attack on Titan. The attacking titan from Eren Yeager in my style. I'm sure you don't know, but I'm the biggest Attack on Titan fan there is. I have seen the entire show multiple times in Japanese, English and in German. I also watched countless reaction videos, analyzing videos, and I listened to the music of AOT all the time. The music of that show is really something else. In my opinion, the reason why the show is so good is 50% because of this epic music. I'm a huge fan of Attack on Titan, and that's why I'm drawing this today. It's a short video as you can see, so let's see what I will create today. Make sure to like the video and watch it all. I see you in the end. Let's go. So guys, last touch, and then Eren Yeager, the attacking titan, is done, and I think it looks not too bad. I drew him with a very detailed coloring and with the hardening technique on the forearms and fists. I also like this pose for Eren with the fists up, as he was fighting like this many times in the show. I definitely have to adapt more to this art style from AOT, but I like the drawing, and now you guys tell me what you think of this in the comments below. I think I will draw more titans in my style in the next weeks, continuing with the armored titan. What you think? I think we can also start some Attack on Titan drawing commissions, so if you are interested, message me, all the links down below, and I see you guys on the next